For those of you that have watched a lot of my videos that are shot up here in this room, this is the microphone. You guys maybe be able to see it in the corner down here. This little microphone right here that I use is actually, let me see if I can find it here, is actually this mic right here, the ZealSound Gaming USB Microphone. And you can use this, as you see, it has adapters and everything, right? For iPhones, whatever. I use it on a computer. It has all kinds of like USB adapters and stuff like that that it comes with. But as you can see here, plug it in. It can work again on an iPhone. Now, I don't know. Yeah, I guess it comes with a Lightning adapter, Type-C adapter for Androids, computers, whatever. And it sounds actually really good. It lights up. I have it plugged directly in here. You guys are hearing the audio from it. I have done a review of this microphone before, so I will put links down below if you guys are interested in this. But for those of us that are looking at this microphone, which I recommend because I use it, what's cool about it right now on the US version of Amazon, the US Amazon website, I guess, $55 US, good price because it sounds good. You get a $7 off coupon. That's nice. And check this out. This is cool. And I contacted them and they said that this was till the end of January 2024. You'll see here extra savings. So there's a bunch of stuff you can get here. You can get the ZealSound H2 microphone stand. If you want a stand for this, then you can get a free stand. You follow the instructions on the screen on how you do it. You can get a USB RGB gaming microphone with boom arm. That's cool. Or you can get this ZealSound K08p-ul USB recording microphone. Also cool. They reached out to me and said, hey, we know you guys use this microphone, which I do. Would you like to talk about it? I said, I would. But how about you send me this microphone here so that I can test it on the channel? Because if it's a free microphone, that's great. But if it's a free microphone that doesn't sound great, then that's kind of pointless, and maybe you should get one of the other things. But two microphones, and this one's could be kind of cool. $25, 4 stars. That's decent. It's a $25 mic, right? 5% off coupon, etc., etc. And this says get an item free too. Well, I guess it's kind of talking about together. Now you can get this for $25 or you can get it for $28 depending on if you want the rose gold / pink or gold. This is it here in this here box. I'm going to open it now, and then what I'll do is I'll replace this mic with this mic and we'll see how it sounds. Okay, so I'm only shooting with one camera today because I got a whole bunch of things happening or deliveries coming today and I can't be downstairs, so I have to know or be close to the upstairs. So I got the rose gold color. Anyways, this is what's in the box. You guys will see. It comes with a little like boom stand, just like it has in the photo on this site. It's like a shock stand, shock arm, put it in there so it takes vibrations away. But that's handy, especially if you're portable. And I'll use this as for instance, I'm going to be traveling and I don't usually want to disconnect all these. A lot of times I'll just bring a shotgun mic, but if you're recording into your computer, for instance, something smaller would be nice. This way you could use this at home, have a little portable mic to bring with you. Look at that. It is light for sure. That is the rose gold. What do you think of that? That is rose goldy right there. It's got your little things in the bottom, I'm guessing somewhere in that range. I don't know if it's focusing. I'm hoping it is. All right, what does it have in the front? On, off, and echo. Oh, and volume. Oh, it's just a slider. I don't want any echo. And it is USB powered. It looks like USB-C powered. That's good. That means there's got to be more in here. For $25, yeah, because I got the pink one, $25. It comes with like USB-C to USB-A adapter, Lightning to USB-A adapter, so you can plug this into your phone. TRS, right? TRS, so you could plug this in. I'm guessing maybe like to phones, or maybe it has a headphone jack. It has something in the bottom. It's hard for me to tell. Oh yeah, it has a headphone jack in the bottom and an auxiliary input in the bottom. That's interesting. See that? It seems to already have a light on it. It must have its own little bit of, like a little tiny bit of power. Anyways, you do get a tiny little manual. You get a little pop filter. Well, isn't that the cutest thing? And then this is how you attach the pop filter, which I'll show you in a minute. And then of course you get your USB-A to USB-C cable, which is what's going to plug into your pewter. A couple extra of the little elastic bands just in case those break over time. If you have this mic, let's say for a long period of time, they can actually just dry out. I had one of the original Rode video mics, which had little elastic bands. Yeah, a couple years, it just breaks. My dog's playing with her toy. This little pop filter thing, I'm guessing this just goes like so. Yep, that's it. Same thing. These do they screw? Yeah, they screw. You gotta lift those, and then you tighten them. Probably doesn't matter if it's doing that really, because it's just gonna sit there. But you could just tighten this little bolt up there. I don't really care. All you do with this piece is, I'm just gonna take those off. So I'm just gonna push this all the way through. The back ones I didn't have to take off. I probably didn't have to take the front ones off either, but I did. Wrap these back around. Yeah, and like I said, if you can get this, especially as a freebie, just for kind of carrying around with you, push this back how far you actually want the pop filter. All right, hey, that's all right. And again, it doesn't have to be tight. Gravity's gonna push it where it needs to be. Okay, I'm gonna plug this in, and we're gonna switch this mic to this mic. We'll see how it sounds. All right, my friends. So this is now using this microphone, and I do, for the most part, I like the fact of how small it is, and it's got a little pop filter. It's pretty unobtrusive. Unobtrusive. It's my big word of the day. And you know what? You're traveling with it. You got some color choices. It does look like it has, like I said, built-in lithium battery. My guess is, and I wasn't even aware of this, it should be able to function powered by itself. And I guess that's important if you're using this with, let's say, a smartphone, so that it has that ability to be powered, by itself, because your device wouldn't be able to power it. So just a few extra things here, right? It has your Type-C adapter, Lightning adapter, 3.5mm audio cable, USB audio cable. Yeah, so you see it has recharging, fully charged, flashing as low battery. Now mine was flashing red, it says it's recharging, but once it gets fully charged, then I'm guessing I'm good to go. Cardioid polar pattern. It's going to kind of get rid of some of the stuff on the back, but anything kind of in front and off to the side, we should pick up. So even if I kind of travel a little bit over here, we should be okay. Premium sound quality. ZealSound. There you go. And you can get this for nothing. You can get this for nothing. Little extra. You buy this one, you buy the other one, this one, the one that I have over here. You buy this one, and you get this one till the end of January. So you guys are hearing it. You know what it sounds like now. And this would be great for me. This might be good enough for anybody, but maybe there's two of you and you're like, well, let's go in and we can both get a mic. Or you have two computers, so you don't have to move your mics around. Or you want a travel mic. Like, that's probably what I'll use this for, because it comes apart. I can use it on my phone, or I can use it on my computer. What more do you want? All right, guys, you know what the sound is like because you're hearing it. And that's all. This deal is till the end of January 2024 is what they told me. So free ZealSound mic, ZealSound, free ZealSound microphone. Yeah, that's right. All right, guys, links down below to both of these mics so that you can check it out and possibly get yourself a free mic. That's nice. All right, I'm out, and I got my finger up like this for no reason.